Well, I lifted my truck finally after 2 years of saying I'd do it. Finally got the time to do it and got all the parts. 35-inch tires on 20-inch rims. 6-inch rough country lift. You got to crank the keys up a little bit. Torsion keys. Just crank them up a little bit there to get the full 6-inch. Otherwise, it's just a 5-inch lift. But it actually was pretty easy install. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty tall. It used to be like down here, but I'm happy. Let's get on in there. Still turns the tires really easy. So much taller than everything else I have. We already pulled that Ford around. Let's go for a drive. I'm so tall right now, I feel like God. This thing is so fun. Yeah, cut it. Nice, nice.
Fancy our
Sure.